and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is our second video of HTML, and in this video we are going to talk about tags and elements in HTML. So first, I've got a point here that an element usually consists of an opening tag and a closing tag. You know, whenever we want to write a tag in HTML, so it has got an opening tag and a closing tag. Like I've got a tag here called h1 tag. So if I am gonna write h1, so I must close it as well. So this is the opening tag of my element and this is the closing tag of my element. If you are going to start a tag, so you have to close it as well. This is the starting tag of h1 and this is the closing tag of h1. And the content between is our content. The thing that we want to be shown in our website, in here we can write it over here. And the content in which contain the elements names surrounded by angle brackets. You have got these angle brackets. This is also an angle bracket. This is also an angle bracket. These are all angle brackets. And every element is surrounded by these angle brackets. And the content in between is our content. We can write our content in the middle of it. Like if I want to write down my name here, so my name will be shown in our web page. Like if I'm gonna write Fida Muhammad, so whenever Haksar, and whenever I'm going to my web page and I will see my name here, Fida Muhammad Haksar, because I've written it in my code editor here that this is our content. So this was a point that every element in HTML, every element has got an opening tag and a closing tag as well. Second, for this document, it is important to know the difference between elements and tags. You guys must know the difference between element and a tag. What is the difference? So element, whenever we see like video, audio, table and footer, whenever it is written without an angle bracket, so it is called an element. Like if I'm gonna just simply write h1, so it is just an element, it is not a tag. But when I'm writing these angle brackets, after this it will be a tag. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Like these are tags now. This is our tag. Video tag, it has got angle brackets. Because of this, we are calling it a tag. Audio tag, table tag, footer tag, HTML tag, and body tag. We are calling them tags because they have got these angle brackets on them. And there are some HTML elements that don't have a closing tag or any contents. These are called void elements. You know, we have got lots of elements in HTML that don't have a closing tag. They just have a starting tag. They don't have any closing tag. Void elements include image tag, meta tag, link, and input. They just have a starting tag. They don't have any they don't have any closing tag. Like whenever I'm writing h1, so it has got a closing tag as well. But whenever I want to write an image tag, it has got just a starting tag. It don't have any closing tag. And src, you will write down your source of image and you will see the image in your web page. And we have got the link tag as well, input tag as well. Like whenever I want to write down input, it just have a starting tag. It doesn't have any ending or closing tag. Whenever I'll save it and I'll see in my web page, I will have a input, and here I can write down anything I want. I'm just gonna write Fida Muhammad. Simply you can do it like this. So this was all about the tags and elements. I hope you have got the point that what are the difference between elements and tags. So I think this is it for today, and I'll see you inshallah in the next video.